Beautiful fish.
Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Beautiful day, Pennington, Texas.
Luke, nice bass. What'd you catch it on?
Alabama crawl.
Where are we?
At Pennington.
Pennington fishing? That's a nice bass. So you reeled that one in. Hold that one up again.
I rolled that one in.
That's real nice. And you were working that crawfish? Awesome. All right, let me see. Put them in the.
No, just one time, Booger.
Are y'all gonna ride the Baja Warrior? You bet. We'll give you a ride next.
Took my granddad's 22 when I was in the 2nd grade. I shot a deer right in the heart and rubbed his blood upon my face. The summer when I turned 16, I got up each day